Let's talk about the two moons. We actually have two moons, and that includes two sun. Since the sun and moon are both local and described as a lamp or a torch, it wouldn't light up the whole plane. In this photo, we have our local sun and moon inside the first ice wall with our 7 continents. The other local sun and moon is on beyond Antarctica. But what we see in the photo, the Set and Ya, in this verse of Surah Al-Rahman in the Quran, stated that He is the Lord of both points of sunrise and both points of sunsets. Sun rises at different cardinal points in the 2 east and the 2 west. At the time sun rises in one hemisphere, it sets in to another hemisphere, producing 2 west and 2 east of the earth. And this affects the high tide and low tides of our ocean. That's why you see solar eclipses when the sun and moon doing the eclipse, while there is another moon on the side of it. So then you'll ask me, if Earth has 2 moons, how often would moon eclipse each other? It all depends on its orbital resonance. Let's assume that both moon have the same orbital inclination, like how far up and down the cycle deviates, especially from our flat plane. One would be in around equator and the other one will be in the polar orbit. If both moon have different orbital inclination, or one moon reaches high point at a different part of a clock than the other moon, then that greatly increases the time between eclipses. There's a verse that the hour has come near and the moon has split into 2, and that is in Quran 54.1. When you have full understanding about the construct of our geocentric electromagnetic universe, this will not sound crazy to you. Earth consists of concentric rings of physical lands, spiraling from 0-point axis at the center, like a drop of water, creating a ripple effect. From the point of impact, we refer it as a magnetic North Pole. The central pole is our physical marker. We call it the magnetic pillar. Our 4-dimensional realms have Rome echoed, the lunar and solar and seasons, and also our wandering stars. Saturn and Jupiter, the solar sun and lunar moon of the outer ring domain. Mars and Venus, the solar sun and the lunar moon of the next concentric domain beyond southern Antarctic boundary, or what we call the aurora australis electromagnetic field. Mercury is in the inner central or the inner realm beyond northern Arctic boundary. The star Mercury is androgynous, both solar sun and lunar moon. In one, we call it the black sun. The spiral expansion of Earth, matter, and time continues. What do you think about this? Let me know in the comments. Assalamu alaikum.